Them don't arrest one woman who strangled her 2 children to death because of say what she gets small disagreement with her husband. Hey, see what women they do this one a love of war. This one they happen inside Kenya. This Madam Diana they talk say she even killed them these children self. Now she use her 2 legs by herself. Carry go police station talk say okay I don't kill my children. But the reason why make this woman kill this nobody even know. Because then these children don't even offend her. Now the man now do something to her, in which we never know what the man do to her. But just because say she vex or say they fight, now there she carry something behind a rope, behind a weight, just tie them these children for neck, kill them. My people beg, make now follow me see.
The mother of 3 is said to have committed the act and later called her husband, informing him of what she had done before surrendering at the Waithaka police station.
Diana alikuwa ni jirani wangu. Ilikuwa ni masaa ya karibu saa 7 hivi. Nisikia kama ni mngurumo tu mtu anaguzaguza nyumba, lakini mimi ile akili ikuja ni nini kinaendelea. Lakini ni kama hii mataimu ndio alikuwa anaendelea kwa watoto wake, lakini ile akili iambii mtu nini kinatendeka.
When the in-laws visited the suspect at the Kabete police station, she confessed to killing the 2 minors but could not explain her actions.
She just told me that hajui nini ilifanyika, hajijui. She bathed the children very well, aliwaogesha vizuri, akawavalisha, akawapaka mafuta, took the other little one akamosha, akampaka mafuta. But whatever happened she can't even tell. They were playing with the kids and all of a sudden akashika mmoja huku Sydney, akashika mwingine huku Miracle, and then she strangled them herself.
Kabete Police Sub-County Commandant Francis Wahome confirmed the incident, saying the suspect will be arraigned once the Directorate of Criminal Investigations complete investigations.
He appears to be suffering from some mental disturbance. I believe we also need to make sure that she also visits the hospital. She also has a young suckling baby, and so for her to be protected so that she may also take care of the other young child, she needs that. That is what we are doing with the investigating officer to make sure that she is attended accordingly.
The bodies of the 2 minors have been taken to City Mortuary, awaiting postmortem examination.
Even if person get mental problem, in fact, I'm not sure say this whole thing where this person do, it justifiable. Because I don't see where mad person get children and they take care of the children like say nothing even happen. So what you can make this woman now can decide say now this kind of thing she won't go do. And say on a normal day now so she and her husband they quarrel, but until I beg. As you know say you and this man they always quarrel. What to make you know just carry your Ghana must go come out from the house. And if you don't see them, these children, you go see them as disturbance. Maybe you they see the man face on top of them. You just leave them put for the man. Carry yourself, come out from there. Because this one way can kill and never understand. You they kill children based on the papa offense. Papa will do you want, you know go kill that one. Children, innocent children, we don't even know any. And as we gather this information, then these children said they be even 3. It be like say this woman try strangle the 3 of them. Like say the last baby now no just die. Now God now just be on that one side. But I beg, why you go get belly for a whole 9 months? You get first belly, second belly, third belly, carry them, even train them, these children reach this level. Or in the name of say you won't come kill them, say because of what say man vex you. This kind of talk, I don't know, be an juju follow, be waiting what because I don't even know someone take explain the whole thing. Because person no for just day. In right senses, go come decide say you won't go do this kind of thing. I feel say this woman she just do her mind. Because as the man talking normally, now so this woman they always threaten say she go kill these children, she go kill these children. Why you gonna use children be say now you born? Pikin was supposed to be your precious gift, you go come decide say you won't go kill them. Even if your husband they give you bitterness, you supposed to use them these children as your joy. Now they supposed to give you joy. But this one as you can't kill them now, what do you can't make people do for you? Because you don't be like this, like nobody will even reason your matter because this one too they bad. For a mother, it means a person mama say you not even supposed to trust your mama again. Because for your mama to get mind, hold you for neck, strangle you, just keep person. It means say this person a devil, you go fit sleep for night at all. Where you go to reason this kind of thing? But I hope say this thing will not be covered up. Maybe then these children, maybe nobody man get the children, the woman call reason and say, making cuckoo end the life of this trip before they will go do it DNA. Because me, I reason all this one join say, maybe now waiting make this woman kill her because which reason again you won't give? So you do this kind of thing. Some people are never not so what they even do. Maybe then these children innocent so rest in peace, so make that they go out and bash. So say even them, their body, you go they bite this, she not go even free sleep. Because somebody they cry for somewhere they find say in one children. You can't see on a platter of gold, you can't decide say you won't kill them. In fact, anything when you see now your eyes, now you go use take carry them. My people, I beg, I hear this one, I can't make her bring and come, make an service in her ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter what I just hear now, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for the next video. One NEF spokesperson don't talk say in fact by 2023 Nigeria go don't turn to a wreck. Say in fact our eyes go see when. And the person where they talk this one in name na Mr. Hamed Baba Hamed. He talk this one inside one interview where Channels TV grant him. And he talk say this one where they even happen. Say the worst is yet to happen. In fact say we never even see anything. So all this one where they happen now because of say waiting, our political leaders they don't decide not to work. Say they don't decide to sit down for one place, they enjoy themselves. Now make all this kind of wahala they happen. And say for reason that man, now only two parties even still there inside Nigeria. Either na PDP or be na APC. So in fact, even if we decide say we won't even vote, now the same people now will they vote for. And say these people they don't focus on Nigeria, their own now make they get power. But people beg, make now watch where this man for talk this one.
If governors have evidence that State House, the villa is using extra legal and political muscle to peer away governors from their parties, I wish they would share some of this information with us. There have been defections on both sides. Like I said earlier on, we're dealing with one and the same thing. We've had governors from the other party who a governor just changes dress and comes back and sits and says, I'm APC. And the next day, a governor will also defect and says, I'm PDP. These are the same people. This is in the last 16 years, or since 1999, it's these two parties that have destroyed this country, and they're playing the same game all over again. We're not impressed by arguments that somebody is poaching somebody's governors or legislators. They have been doing this thing for a long time. They will continue to do this thing. What we're witnessing is the beginning of the destruction of these two parties. And believe me, honestly, I think it's a good thing for this country. It's good for Nigerians to recognize and to understand that what these two parties are focusing on is not the insecurity, is not poverty, is not joblessness, it's not the state of the country, it's not about amending the constitution to fix this country. It's about power. It's about getting power in 2023, irrespective of how they do it. And this is a good thing. They will continue to poach each other's people. It is that easy to poach a governor, for goodness sake. You get millions of voters who say, we're voting for you and your party, and the governor simply changes his mind and says, okay, I don't want your party anymore. I'll continue to keep the power. These are the same people. How many, close to 80% of our politicians today have been in one of these two parties or more.
Oh, now here, if you now reason this kind of thing, you now go know say all this one with this man talking, everything now too. Because all these our politicians, they don't even put us for heart. Because if you reason now, the same party, this APC, some people they go carry themselves, say they move, go PDP. Now the same thing. Last, I don't know where they bribe these people to move, or they give them money, I don't even know. But this one, they talk, say they don't respect Nigerians at all. They don't even respect the citizens of Nigeria. I mean, they misbehave like this. And say, in fact, even if you now vote, if you not like making a vote from here to now, nothing will happen. Say this change your APC don't bring it. In fact, now we will change. Say that 2023, we no go even wait. Stay same. In fact, by 2022, we go no say yes, we enter this kind of one. Say in fact, all this one where they happen, the kidnapping, the all this one. What the government don't do about them? And say if we reason, if new party can't come inside, maybe this 2023 another person can't come inside. This whole wahala of kidnapping, it no go because waiting. This current government they never tackle them. So you go come bless say they carry old problem again, they enter new. And I reason all this, I feel and say now true. All this one with this man talking, now true. But make we say, I beg who will ever enter for this 2023? Because now only these two parties, now all of us know. Who they worthy enough to do this kind of thing? Because the way when Nigeria been, everything don't scatter. Me, I don't even know since when Buhari enter power, we say, well, common malaria, he go say they go abroad. Catadrum, he go say, now I don't know, say this our Nigeria don't change. Change when you say one give us now Burundi change, nobody normal change now in bring. Because this one another kind of change. But I beg, how we want to do this kind of thing? What you wanna feel say be the solution? Because to me, I don't even know what I want to take again. Because this whole Nigeria things don't they go far. Unemployment is still on a high rate. And what this man they talk? So in fact, what we reason all the bad things, nothing don't change. Everything still there as it be. So in fact, even if we bring in new person, if the person don't get the country at heart, nothing will change. And this one a true talk. And if you reason all this our youth they come as I come protest. If say work day, I'm not sure say person will come as I say won't come protest. Now because they know say work no day, so all this one join they will come as I come they vex say they protest. So in fact, now here government supposed to sit down, be an APC or be an PDP, sit down and think and say this is the way this man they talk. Now true. May they find something to do about them. Because to me, I don't know the solution. People where they work, maybe I go get solution to this whole thing. Because me, I don't reason and tie and not get any solution. So for those of now we get solution, make a write and put inside the comment section. Because now in Nigeria hand they inside do. Anything I feel, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.